Have you ever tried to clean every part of your home with the same tools, only to find that they aren't properly designed to clean what you need them to? With CordZero's cordless convenience and multiple accessories, it is much easier to clean various spaces. The bedding power punch uses vibrating mechanism to catch dust. The mattress tool is especially designed to clean mattresses and bed frames, while the crevice tool helps for cleaning door frames and window frames. Also, the flexible crevice tool allows you to vacuum corners and tough-to-reach crevices. The multi-angle tool can rotate a full 360 degrees. The swivel helps to clean ceiling lights and top of furniture. Use the hard dirt tool for delicate jobs such as dirt and loose pet hair. The extendable hose can help you reach stairs and areas where the main vacuum can't go. The combination tool is a 2-in-1 tool that you can adjust according to the specific cleaning requirement. Optimize your cleaning experience with the tools you need to get a full clean.